Hi, my name's Bekah. Welcome to my video series, Everyday English Every Day. Today is grammar practice. We focus on repetition using examples. You repeat after me. We're going to talk about the first conditional. The first conditional expresses a real or very probable situation in the future. Something that will probably happen. If it rains, I will go to the movies. If it is sunny, I will go to the pool. It depends on the weather, right? But I give two activities that would happen in those situations. That will happen, really. All right, so for the first conditional, we use if plus the present simple tense, comma, and then we add the future simple. So the future simple can also come first in this formula. If we go to the beach, that's the condition. I will call you. That's the result. Okay, we use the first conditional when talking about possible plans, right? When we're talking about something you plan on doing that you want to do. Repeat after me. If it rains, I will stay home. If he comes over, we will play soccer. If it is sunny, we will go to the beach. If she goes out, she will eat at the restaurant. We use the first conditional for promises. A promise is when you tell someone that you will do something or that something will happen. Repeat after me. If you visit me, I will take you to the beach. If you eat your dinner, I will give you ice cream. If she gets good grades, her mom will buy her a new cell phone. Warnings. We use first conditional with warnings. We warn something, we warn someone when we tell that person about possible danger or a problem. Repeat after me. If you fight at school, you will be suspended. When you're suspended, it means you can't go to school. You're told to stay out of school for a day, 3 days, a week. If he hits his sister, he will get into trouble. If they trespass, they will get arrested. No trespassing means you're not allowed. You can't enter that place. We use the first conditional with threats. A threat is when we tell someone that maybe we're going to hurt them, right? Or damage something. Repeat after me. If I find you, I will kill you. It's pretty intense. If you fight with your sister, you will not go to your friend's house. If you use jujitsu at school, you will be kicked out of the academy. You're only allowed to use jujitsu if you're defending yourself. We also use the first conditional for persuading someone. When you persuade someone, you get them to do something. Repeat after me. If you help me clean, you will be able to use your tablet. If you clean my car, I will wash the dishes. He told her that if she cooks dinner, he will wash the dishes. All right, guys, if you like my video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. New videos are posted on Mondays and Wednesdays. Comment below, ask me questions, write some example sentences for me to review, and you can also email me here. All right, guys, have a great rest of your day. I hope to see you soon. Check out my other grammar videos in the grammar series. Bye-bye.